Alright, so I'm working on this 2019 Z06 Corvette. And I'll show you how to remove the seat belts from it. I get the seat out. You gotta remove all these plastics. This plastic gotta come off first. This clip's right here. There's a clip right there. Oh, 1 second. There's a clip right there you gotta pull out. Another one right there. Now this thing comes out. Next thing we gotta remove this plastic right there. This one comes out next. Gently here, pry this out, and then there's the screw right there. There's a Torx bit right there. This plastic has to come out before anything, then this one comes out. And we got this one right there. It's a Torx T40. I got this one right here. There you go. Let's get this popped. You gotta lift this up. There's two little legs. You gotta lift up right there. You gotta press them right there on both sides. To release the seatbelt, you gotta press these right here. On both sides. You press them like this.